Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Enzoni cocktail. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need gin, Campari, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and a handful of green grapes. Make sure you also have your bar tools ready, including a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, a muddler, and a fine mesh strainer. Don't forget to chill your serving glass, like a rocks glass or a coupe, before you start mixing. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by placing 5 to 6 fresh green grapes into your cocktail shaker. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the grapes to release their juices and flavors. Next, measure and add 1.5 ounces of gin, followed by 1 ounce of Campari. Then, pour in 0.75 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 0.5 ounces of simple syrup to complete the liquid base. With all your ingredients in the shaker, it's time to chill and combine them properly. Fill your shaker completely with ice cubes. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want the outside of the shaker to feel very cold. Finally, double strain the cocktail into your pre-chilled glass, ensuring no small grape bits or ice shards make it into your drink. To finish your perfect Enzoni, add a beautiful garnish. You can use a few fresh green grapes on a skewer or a simple, elegant lemon twist. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant color and inviting aroma. This cocktail offers a delightful balance of bitter Campari, sweet grapes, and tart lemon, making it incredibly refreshing. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.